Hi everyone. Everything I'm about to tell you comes straight from mechanics who are working right here in the shop, so relax. This can be fixed. If you're seeing the message in-vehicle network malfunction on your Mazda, don't panic and don't think your car has gone crazy. This warning is actually more common than you might think, and according to many mechanics who deal with it all the time, it usually has a pretty logical explanation. To start with, this message basically means that something inside the car's electronic system isn't communicating properly. It doesn't mean the engine is failing or that the car is about to leave you stranded. It just means one of the modules, usually the communication or connectivity module, is saying, hey, something's not lining up here. Now, one of the most common causes, and this is something mechanics mention over and over, is the system software. Just like your phone can glitch after an update, your Mazda can do the same thing. Some models have communication modules, or TCU units, that get software bugs, and that alone can trigger the warning even when nothing is actually broken. Here's the interesting part. In many cases, the problem isn't physical at all. It's digital. No broken wires, no damaged sensors. The system just gets confused. That's why some people say the message shows up one day, disappears the next, and then randomly comes back weeks later. It's not magic, it's software doing what software sometimes does. Another very common factor is the battery. If the battery was low, weak, or recently replaced, the system can lose its calibration. Even if the car starts fine, unstable voltage can cause communication issues between modules, which triggers the warning. A lot of mechanics say that once the battery is replaced or properly charged, the message never comes back. Something else that confuses many drivers is when this warning shows up along with connectivity issues, like the My Mazda app not working or the car losing signal. That happens because everything is tied into the same communication system. When the module can't communicate properly, the car basically says, I can't talk to the outside world right now. There are also cases where the message appears after a reset, an update, or even for no clear reason at all. In those situations, mechanics often recommend something simple. Turn the car off, let it sit for a bit, and then start it again. Sometimes the system just needs a quick reset, kind of like restarting your phone when it starts acting weird. If that doesn't fix it, the next step that works for a lot of people is a software update at the dealership. This doesn't mean replacing parts or spending a fortune. It usually just means connecting the car to the dealer's computer and updating the module. In many cases, that completely solves the problem for good. One important thing to know, some shops may tell you to activate connected services or say that the issue is normal. But in reality, the real fix is usually updating the TCU software, not paying for extra services. That's why it helps to go in informed and ask them directly to check and update the communication system. If you want, I can also help you figure out whether this is something you can safely ignore for now or if it's time to take it to the dealer. Just let me know.